elements from the periodic table, 4 of 118.
Let us introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm chlorine, and this is oxygen.
I'm lithium.
And I'm Silver. Today we'll be talking to you guys about chemical reactions. Let's get started!
There are 5 main chemical reactions: synthesis, decomposition, single and double displacement, and combustion.
During synthesis, you begin with 2 elements. Once they chemically react with one another, they produce one compound.
Pretend that chlorine and I were at a party.
You may note that chlorine and lithium are dancing around independently without anyone else around.
Hi, I'm chlorine. What's your name?
I'm lithium. Are you here by yourself?
I am.
Want to stick around each other and become best friends?
Heck yes, I do.
So that's synthesis, 2 elements coming together to form a compound.
Pretty neat stuff. Next, we'll take a look at decomposition. Decomposition is when a compound breaks down into separate elements after a chemical reaction.
Now pretend that chlorine and I were getting into a fight at the party just minutes after becoming best friends. This is such a good party. I'm so glad we're best friends.
Me too. Holy guacamole. Who is that? Oh, you mean nitrogen?
He's looking fine. What'd you say his name was again? Nitrogen? I've got a huge thing for nonminerals. Do you know him? Could you introduce me?
That's my boyfriend.
Not for much longer.
We're not best friends.
So there you have it. Decomposition is when a compound separates into 2 separate elements. Poor chlorine.
Next up is single displacement. Single displacement is when a single element and a compound go through a chemical reaction, causing the single element to displace one of the combined elements in the compound.
Now watch as I displace silver in a single displacement reaction.
Hi, you must be chlorine. I'm Silver. I've heard so many great things about you.
Oh, really?
What's going on here? I thought we were best friends, Chlorine.
That was before you stole my boyfriend.
Look, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Can we be best friends again?
I guess.
Yay!
Excuse me, you can't just displace me from chlorine.
You're silver and I'm lithium. Of course I can.
Well, fine. I'm more stable on my own anyway.
So there you have it, single displacement, an element knocking out another element in a compound.
Now it's time for double displacement.
Double displacement is when there are 2 compounds composed of 2 elements. During the chemical reaction, one element from the first compound switches places with one element from the second compound.
Almost like a dance.
Life's a dance, you learn as you go. Sometimes you lead, sometimes you follow.
So there you have it, double displacement, which is simply switching elements from one compound to another.
Finally,
Last but not least,
combustion, which directly involves me.
That's right, oxygen. Combustion is a chemical reaction that needs you to react so that it can produce heat.
so if you're burning something, is that combustion?
You got it!
Here you have it. These are some things to remember.
When alone, oxygen, nitrogen, and chlorine travel in pairs. So do hydrogen, fluorine, bromine, and iodine. To remember this, just think of Harry Knothbrickle. Single metals must be higher on the activity series list than metals in a compound for a single displacement reaction to occur. Make sure to use an arrow during chemical reactions when showing the reactants forming into the products, not an equal sign. Also, when performing a double displacement reaction, make sure that at least one of the products is not equal.
Well, I hope you all have a better understanding of chemical reactions now. A big thank you from Silver.
Oxygen,
Lithium.
And chlorine. Lithium. Aluminum.
That's okay. That's fine. We can decide it.
Yeah, for sure.
Stop it.
Yeah.
do you like a whiteboard to write these down on?
Now pretend that aluminum.
I don't like aluminum. You may note that. Oh man.
Hi, I'm chlorine. What's your name?
Hi, I'm. I keep saying aluminum.
Reading the script. Reading the script. Let's make a list. Reading the script. Yeah.
So there you have it, single displacement. And now I can't get it.
Double displacement element.
So there you have it, single displacement. Finally, oh no, that was me.
Oh.
A big thank you to watching. For what? No.
Chlorine.
So do.